how to change name on TikTok. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Just below your profile picture, you'll see both your display name and your username. Next to them, tap the Edit Profile button. This will open the Edit Profile page where you can update your details. At the top, you'll see the name field. Tap here if you want to change your display name. This doesn't have to be unique, so you can type in whatever you'd like. Once you're happy with it, tap Save or Confirm. Just keep in mind that your name can only be changed once every 7 days. Below that, you'll see the username field. Tap on it if you'd also like to change your username. Your username must be unique, so if the name you want is already taken, you'll have to pick something else or try adding numbers or underscores. After you enter your new username, tap Save. Remember, you can only change your username once every 30 days, so be sure you're happy with it. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching.